Hello YouTube, it's your boy Robert back again with another review. Today I'm going to take you through the Windows 11. For those who don't know, Windows 11 is out. I'm a little late. I've taken a week to make this review, but better late than never. So let me take you through these requirements. So first of all, you need to have a computer with a processor of 1 gigahertz or faster and a RAM of 4 GB or plus, and you also need a hard disk of 64 GB minimum. And your computer has to have a graphics card with DirectX 12 or later with a WDDM 2.0 drivers. The system firmware is supposed to be UEFI secure boot cable, and something that is very critical is the TPM, the trusted platform module version. You'll need to activate it and enable it on you so that you can use it. And there is high definition for 720p or later, and you also need an internet connection to make this happen. Okay, let's get started. So let me take you through on this trusted platform module stuff. So all you need is to go to your start computer and type run, then search for those words that you see there, the tpm.msc. If your computer is not compatible or not founded, don't worry. All you need is to take your computer through the reboot mode, and then you go to BIOS and enable and actually activate the trusted platform module. After activating the module, you'll need to enable it. So I'll take you through, so watch this video and follow up. Okay. So after you're done with the TPM, the trusted platform module, all you need is to download the Windows 11. I'll post the link on the description below, and this video will guide you on how to download it. So follow up and see how you download it and start installing. Once you've enabled your TPM, there's nothing will stop you. Okay. Okay, we're done with the installation, so don't unplug your computer before the installation finishes. Once you're done, I'll allow you to explore the Windows 11. It's a very good Windows compatible, and there's a lot of new features that will allow you to use the computer easily. It is like the Linux computer on the Ubuntu version. Okay, cheers guys.